I just got my M5 back from a shop where the owner, Jackie, did some work to it, and the results, well, you'll find out later in this video. I simply didn't have the time to work on the car, so I outsourced it to second, well, not second, but maybe first best, actually. Again, the results you'll see later on. But first part of the video, I'm gonna take you through Jackie's shop a little bit. First 10 seconds of the following clip got a little messed up, but you'll get the idea. And then we're gonna go into specifics on what was done because I am just blown away. Was it too much? You let me know. Tell us about you, your shop, and then what people can expect when they come in to see you.
I think people can expect good work, fair pricing, and giving back people's cars better than when they came in. One of the most popular jobs that we do would be crank hubs. I think right now we're averaging something like 2 a week. It's insane. We also do a lot of E9X rod bearings. You know, the new cars like G8X, we don't do there's not too many crazy things you can do on those. So, you know, those are just like down pipes, springs, coilovers, mid pipes, stuff like that. We do a lot of femto unlocks too. So yeah, if that's something people need. We don't custom tune, but you know, we're a dealer for boot mod, MHD. If anyone needs a license, we can help out with that.
By the way, this is Jackie's 992 GT3. Forgot what that blue is called. It looks absolutely incredible. This is what my car looks like. It is definitely being left in good hands. Check this out. So many cool cars. But of course, I'm gravitating to, yeah, the Supra is one thing, but look at this E39 wagon. So beautiful. Oh my gosh, with the roof rack. Perfection. Jackie works on a lot of Porsches. He's backing up this 997 turbo. Oh man. I am in good hands, that's for sure. This thing is amazing. And it's got a wiper in the back. Sick.
This is like a close friend of mine. He has a 21,000 mile E92 M3 as well. White on red, man.
How many miles on this
40K.
one? Oh my gosh.
It's a Bringer trailer car. You bought a Bringer trailer.
Really?
Like, holy shit, I don't know anybody that actually buys a car from Bringer trailer.
Well, like Jeff. You know Jeff? Yeah.
He did?
Yeah. Is this, oh yeah, I know this guy.
Moby's Anthony?
Yeah. Anthony, I sold him my TLG guards. Look at this. So Jackie, not only does he have a shop, but he also has a detailer who comes in and details your car before you pick it up. So it's a pretty cool service, very, very affordable if this is when you want to get done. Now, I'm gonna try to walk home 6 miles. The day has come for me to pick up my car. Of course, Jackie's got a couple of other cars in the driveway. My car is getting detailed. Look at this. How you doing, man? She's looking good. All right, let's go. Let's go see the man. Cool. I found Jackie. What's up, man?
Hello, how are you?
We actually, what's up? We settled the bill already. A lot better than I expected. By the way, if you need any BMW or Porsche work, hit them up. King's Auto, I'm gonna link everything down in the description. What do we do with the F90? Everything went well?
Everything went well on the F90. We did mad catted primary downpipes and mad catless secondary downpipes. You know, good fitment, everything went well.
Nice.
All their little brackets, a lot of brands, some of them don't fit that well, but on the MAD ones, we found that like we've had really good success. Everything goes back in. There's brackets by the trans tunnel, so it's literally almost like an OEM install.
Nice.
So,
nice.
Yeah.
And then how's the car looking underneath?
Car looks great, super clean. Some 20-something thousand miles, still looks brand new. So everything's kept good.
And I do drive it a lot.
Yeah.
So it's pretty cool. Well, before we go pick up the car and it's getting detailed outside, so you're working on this G87, right? What's happening here?
Yeah, so on this G87, he's gonna try to hit the track a little more.
Nice.
Today we installed KW V3s. Wheels are already on, so a bit hard to see, but KW V3s, SPL adjustable sway bar links.
Oh, look at those.
Yeah, dyne in front sway bars. Same thing in the rear. We got KW V3s going on, and basically got the dyne and sway bar in as well. This was kind of annoying. You kind of almost have to basically drop the entire subframe.
In the back?
Yeah,
I figured the rear
yeah.
would be more difficult, but so in the back you've
No,
got
so on the Porsches, I know you had a video. The front is hard as hell.
Yeah.
And then the back is like 4 bolts
That's
and
right.
then 2 nuts. No, and on a BMW, the sway bars run over the subframe. So it just flip it around. Like on the Porsche, like, you know, it's hard in the front. On a BMW, it's hard in the rear.
And then what kind of exhaust does he have?
So this is an active auto work.
Oh, yeah.
We have a half drop because we have to drop the subframe.
That's
He's
right.
got something going on here, a little hole.
Yeah.
So we got to see about that.
Oh,
Think-
no way.
Yeah, I think the
Look at this.
the weld, too many pops and bangs, I guess.
You know, that'll do it. Seriously.
Yeah, I mean, it's right at the weld, too. That's where the hanger was, so kind of makes sense.
Are those BBS?
I honestly, I think CCWs or
Okay.
something. I'm not too sure, but definitely not BBSs, you know.
And then this thing still has a sweet spot in my heart.
F80s, yeah, your
What's
origins.
the deal with this one? And it's honestly, it call me crazy, but the chrome wheels kind of work on this one.
It's a fresh change of pace, you know,
Yeah.
concerning to what you see nowadays. But yeah,
I
this
like-
one's pretty cool. We did a crank hub on it earlier this year, I believe. And everything's been good on it. Came back. I think he's got some sort of suspension noise coming from the front, so got to get it up on the air, diagnosis, see what's up.
All right, I don't wanna keep you, Jackie. I'm gonna go test drive the car, but I really wanted to thank you
Yeah,
for
of
taking
course.
care of me. Jackie did it so fast. Well, not too fast, but he did it really. They really kept me updated and really made me happy. And at the end of the day, he arranged for the car to be detailed. So I'm nothing but happy. And like I said in my intro, I don't always have the time to work on the car myself, given my busy schedule, but I'm happy that there's someone in my area that I can trust and with stuff like that. So if you're looking for any work to be done to your BMW, Porsche, or any other performance fun car, hit up Jackie. Again, I'm going to link his info down in the description. The best guy in the industry. Just look him up, King's Auto, and you'll see nothing but positive and glowing reviews. The
Cool.
best guy, really the best guy in the industry.
Awesome. Yeah,
Thank you, my
Tommy.
friend.
I appreciate it. Thank you so much.
Looks good.
Thank you.
How do you do it in this heat?
Just gotta work, man. Willpower.
Thank you.
This is no
Thank
problem
you.
anytime.
Jackie, you want to start it? Let's see.
Yeah, go for it.
Come on. You start it. Come on, you do the honors. Let's hit it. Let's see. That's a loud fart. Wow. Wow. Dude, what if you put in Sport Plus with the farts? I don't think it's got the fart zone. I'm not a big fan of farts, but this is actually pretty good. I agree. What? Yeah, the valves are open. So where's the Valvetronic thing? It's in there probably, or oh wait, here.
Oh, okay.
Here. So hold on. So this is this is oh my gosh. Wait, this is closed. This is closed. No, this is closed. Rev it up. That's crazy. Wow. And then open. Wow. So I never drive with burbles on because I feel like I'm too old for it. But yeah, I like it. Cool. Heck yeah. Bye. Ladies and gentlemen, this is what I was looking for. Look. That is so cool. Oh, I'm gonna be quiet. Just listen. To explain it to you, so the burbles are off. When I accelerate and cut power, you get the, which is kind of cool, also. And it's got a kind of a more of a defined sound, whereas
I guess the best way to explain it is the previous sound felt like a fat V8. This sound feels like a sporty V8. It's hard to explain. It's not raspy or anything. Just let me be quiet. Listen. Oh my gosh. Crazy. Oh my gosh, that feels so good. Oh. This is exactly what I was looking for. Absolutely exactly what I was looking for. I still have catalytic converters on the downpipes, so it's going to limit the smell. These are the high flow catalytic converters. I've got wider diameter piping, and it's just completely transformed the car. Anyways, enjoy the following clip comparison, and at the same time, thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. As always, I'll answer every single one of them. And again, hit up Jackie, because he's a very, very stand-up guy, very reasonable with pricing, and just I mean, this is great. This is I'm like a kid now. Are they looking? Are they looking? Hold on. Are they looking? No one's looking? No one's looking at my exhaust? Oh wait, someone looked. No. Thanks again. So obviously that was with the valves closed at the end. Let's start the car with the valves closed so I can show you exactly what the car is going to sound like at 5 o'clock in the morning when I leave the house.